There are various different plank exercises out there that you can do, all of which are trying to provide a similar kind of type of stimulus. Another variation that you can try is called a 8-point plank, where essentially you have different 8 points of contact on the ground. So you're thinking wrists or hands, elbows, knees, and toes. Okay, so if I come out here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get myself into this floor position. Hands, I usually start hands first, and then I slightly walk myself out. From here, you can make it more challenging. Obviously, the further expanded I am, the harder it's going to be. The goal is to think about a crane, like those little toy at an arcade, is lifting this part of your lower back up, staying nice and tight. You're going to squeeze from the midsection to lift up. You might even drag elbows towards knees and knees towards elbow to make it a little bit more intense. Essentially, we're going to hold from here. Again, you can make it more challenging by going a little bit wider, by maintaining that and not letting yourself sag. Okay? That's going to be your 8-point plank as another plank torso stability exercise.